Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working on iPhone. Is ChatGPT not working on your iPhone? Don't worry, here are some easy steps you can follow it to fix it. First, check your internet connection. ChatGPT needs the internet to work. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If neither work, swipe up from top right corner of the screen. It will open control panel. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Now close and reopen the ChatGPT app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the app and swipe it away to close it. Then reopen it again. This fixes all glitches most of the time. If it doesn't work, restart your phone. Hold the power button and slide it to off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary issue in the system. If ChatGPT is still not working, log out and log back in. For that, click on 3 dot or 2 dot in the top left corner, tap on your profile, scroll down and tap on logout. This fixes login or login problem, and that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.